Proven psychology tips to make her instantly fall in love with you. Stoicism. When it comes to building meaningful relationships, understanding human psychology and practicing Stoic principles can be a powerful combination. While psychology provides insight into emotional and behavioral dynamics, Stoicism offers a framework for maintaining self-control, emotional stability, and authenticity. By blending these approaches, you can create genuine attraction and foster deep emotional connections. Here are proven psychology tips inspired by Stoicism to make her feel a strong connection and fall for you. 1. Master emotional control. Stoic principle, self-control. One of the most attractive qualities in a man is emotional stability. Women are naturally drawn to individuals who exude calmness and confidence, especially in stressful or uncertain situations. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of mastering your emotions rather than letting them control you. By staying composed and grounded, you demonstrate maturity and reliability, qualities that foster trust and admiration. Actionable tip. Practice mindfulness and breathing techniques to stay calm in challenging situations. When conflicts arise, respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Your ability to remain composed will set you apart. 2. Show genuine interest. Psychology. Principle, active listening. People are more likely to connect with someone who makes them feel seen and valued. Show her that you genuinely care by actively listening to her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This means giving her your full attention, asking meaningful questions, and remembering the details she shares. Active listening not only builds trust, but also fosters emotional intimacy. Actionable tip. During conversations, maintain eye contact, nod in acknowledgement, and avoid interrupting. Summarize what she said to show you've been paying attention, such as, "That sounds really important to you." 3. Embrace confidence, not arrogance. Stoic principle, know your worth. Confidence is undeniably attractive, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Stoicism teaches that true confidence comes from self-awareness and humility. Knowing your worth and staying grounded makes you approachable and trustworthy. Confidence rooted in inner strength, not external validation, creates a magnetic presence. Actionable tip. Focus on your strengths and achievements without boasting. Let your actions speak louder than your words. For example, instead of bragging about your success, demonstrate it through your behavior and lifestyle. 4. Focus on your purpose. Stoic principle, live according to virtue. Stoics believe that a fulfilling life is one lived in alignment with purpose and virtue. When you are passionate about your goals and driven by a sense of meaning, it naturally makes you more attractive. Women admire men who are ambitious and dedicated to something greater than themselves. Having a clear sense of purpose signals that you are disciplined and focused. Actionable tip. Share your passions and long-term goals with her. Show her how you're actively working toward them. This not only inspires her, but also establishes you as a man of substance and direction. 5. Create mystery and value. Psychology. Principle, the scarcity effect. Psychology suggests that people value what they perceive as scarce or exclusive. By creating a sense of mystery and maintaining some independence, you can make her value your presence more. This doesn't mean playing games, but rather focusing on your own life and not being overly available. Giving her space to miss you is key to building attraction. Actionable tip. Balance showing interest with maintaining your independence. For instance, don't always be the first to text or be available at all times. Use your time wisely to focus on your own growth and hobbies. 6. Practice gratitude and positivity. Psychology. Principle, emotional contagion. Positive energy is contagious. When you practice gratitude and exude optimism, you create a welcoming and uplifting atmosphere that others want to be part of. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and to appreciate the good in life. A man who is content and positive attracts people who want to share in that energy. Actionable tip. Compliment her sincerely and express appreciation for the little things. For example, tell her, "I really enjoyed how thoughtful you were about specific action." Positivity strengthens emotional bonds. 7. Show vulnerability, but stay strong. Stoic principle, balance. While Stoicism emphasizes emotional control, it doesn't mean suppressing vulnerability. Sharing your struggles or fears in a controlled and authentic way shows emotional depth and relatability. Women appreciate men who are strong yet human, capable of expressing themselves without losing composure. Actionable tip. Share a personal challenge you faced and how you overcame it. For example, I struggled with a specific challenge, but it taught me an important lesson. This demonstrates resilience and authenticity. 8. Be consistent and reliable. Stoic principle, integrity. Consistency is key in building trust and respect. A woman is more likely to fall for someone who keeps their word and follows through on their promises. Stoicism values integrity, acting in accordance with your principles and being dependable. Actionable tip. If you make plans, stick to them. Show her that she can count on you, whether it's for small commitments or larger gestures. Reliability builds a strong foundation for any relationship. 9. Mirror her energy, psychology. Principle the reciprocity effect. People are naturally drawn to those who reflect their energy and emotions. By mirroring her tone, pace, and mannerisms, you create a subconscious sense of connection and understanding. However, this should be done subtly and authentically to avoid coming across as insincere. Actionable tip. Pay attention to her body language and communication style. If she's upbeat and energetic, match her enthusiasm. If she's calm and thoughtful, adjust your tone accordingly. 10. Focus on building emotional connection. Physical attraction may spark initial interest, but emotional connection is what creates lasting love. Stoicism teaches us to value meaningful relationships and genuine bonds over superficial interactions. By being emotionally present and supportive, you deepen the connection and create a foundation for love. Actionable tip. Share your values, dreams, and vulnerabilities with her. Encourage her to do the same. This mutual openness creates a strong emotional bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction.